Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how you can activate Hey Google. You have to go for Google app, move to the more, find the settings and go for the voice. Next you have to find voice match and tap on the switcher into the Hey Google. Right now click next, tap on the switcher, just wait. In my case it will be set up, but in your case you will get circle like that. And you have to say OK Google and Hey Google for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. Right now you have to click next and tap finish. Next, when you say Hey Google, it will be activated. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.